Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to end a contract on Upwork as a freelancer. Now there's a few steps to getting it done, so without further ado, let us check it out. Alright, so as a freelancer on Upwork, you also have the opportunity to end a contract. So let's go ahead into it. So this is your homepage or your job feed, and you're going to go up to the top left. You're going to see there's a menu here and there's a deliver work option. Here you are going to look for your active contracts. Let's go into this. So right here from this page, the My Jobs page, you'll actually be able to go down and click on any one of the contracts that you would like to end. Now let's go in and select one. So over here you can see all the details of this specific contract. Right here at the top, you will go up to the top right hand side and you'll see there's three dots. Let's go and click on these three dots, and here there is an end contract option. Over here, you want to make sure that you're clicking on end contract. This is just a prompt to make sure that you know what you are actually doing here. And there's a few options here now. Okay, so there's private feedback. So this is the feedback that's given and it is not shared with the Upwork community. It's not public. It is never shared directly even with the client. Okay, so this is so that Upwork can know how the client was during your transaction. So let's give this client a rating. I'm going to go with 10, which is extremely likely to recommend this client to a friend. And here you can add some feedback as well, which is optional. Let's travel down here and you can see it says, can you tell us your primary reason for ending this contract? Let's use this drop down menu, and here you will see there are a few options. Now, in general, most of the time when you're ending a contract, it is because the project has been completed successfully. However, there are some additional options. Then we get to the public feedback section. Now this section over here is where you're giving feedback, and it's going to be posted publicly so that other freelancers, other clients can actually see this, including this client. So it says it's going to be posted on their recent history, and when they have left feedback for you, or after the 14-day feedback period closes, this will be public. This is a fantastic opportunity to showcase your relationship with clients in general that you have on Upwork. So I'm going to go ahead, skills, quality of requirements, availability, set, reasonable deadlines, communication, and cooperation. Let's give that a 5 out of 5 star experience. And again, here you can share your experience with the client to the Upwork community. Again, this is optional. I am going to just put it in here. I do like to always add this in here because it just shows the type of freelancer you are towards the client. Right here at the bottom, you will see that there is an end contract button. You're going to go ahead and click this. And once you've clicked this, literally your contract will have ended. You'll see here now, if you have a look at your active contracts, you will not have the option to end contract anymore. So in over here, if you go to the right and you hit the three dots, there will be no option to end contract anymore. You can propose a new contract and you can give a refund if it is necessary. But if you can't see the end contract, this means the contract has successfully ended. I hope this video was helpful.